What's up, guys? So we are here, Opera Omnia, and let's talk about the World of Illusions. This is actually the best place to farm items and materials, but it requires stamina, or SP points. You get these by ranking up. So you can see at rank 20, we have 20. Every rank gives you 1 SP point. You get the ranks by leveling up your heroes. So the easiest way to do that is to level up a whole bunch of different heroes from level 1 to, say, level 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Get a few levels. So you can see we are not... We haven't gone that far in the campaign mode. We don't have that many different heroes. But we're already at rank 20 because we have a couple of levels on some heroes that are over level 30. We got level 19, level 21, level 34, level 26, level 32, level 18. So most of our heroes are leveled up. And you don't just want to level them all up like crazy because you need to use your stamina. So let's show you what we're doing here. And on the left featured is what kind of items that you can get from just the first stage that requires 10 stamina to do. So once you hit rank number 10, you want to come in here and do your first stage. Then the stamina is going to refresh 1 stamina every 3 minutes. So make sure that you do this every 30 minutes so you're not wasting your stamina. I prefer to do the stage on the right over here, the Orb Spring Part 1. This is going to get you weapon and armor orbs, so weapon and armor experience points, as seen in the picture there. Let's go ahead and auto this now. So, as you're doing this, you're going to gain a ton of weapon experience points, which will allow you to buff up your 1 or 2 main attackers. You want to focus, I believe, on 1 or 2 main attackers in the beginning of the game, because you don't have enough gil to make everyone strong. You can only focus on 1 or 2 characters. Making 1 or 2 super strong characters will definitely help you progress faster, further in this game, and allow you to beat harder content. So Warrior Light is great. He acts like your tank. Squall is the best DPS hero in the game right now, so make sure that you grab Squall from the story missions, or from the special event quest, and grab him and level Squall up. DPS is greatly needed, so you can't go wrong with either one of those, Warrior Light or Squall. Rem is actually pretty solid too, because she's going to be a healer, and you're going to need some healing in higher difficulty stages. You may be wondering, though, why we didn't do the 20 SP stage. Well, the SP is very, very valuable, so the 20 SP stage we probably could beat, but we don't want to take the chance that we lose all of that SP by doing the stage and failing. That means we would have to wait 1 whole hour to do that stage again and attempt to win that stage. It's not worth the risk until you're certain that you can actually beat that stage. So do the level 10 stage, the first stage, multiple times. And once you're out of SP, simply go farm in the Squall dungeon. I personally prefer farming on the level 15 stage, as it's very simple. You can auto farm it. It takes a minute or so, and your characters will gain a good amount of gil and EXP. You can also bring a level 1 character in there, and that would get carried by some of your higher level characters. So once again, we got 7 of these upgrade materials. Great. Characters are leveling up as well. A lot of gil, a lot of EXP. So the secret, though, is once you rank up, once we get to rank number 21, once we level up a couple of their characters, all our stamina is going to refresh. So you want to use all your stamina up, and then you want to rank up slowly. You want to rank up 1 at a time. So we want to go and train a Tifa now, or train a Cloud that's a low level. And we're going to go train in the Events tab over here. We're going to go to Alliance Heart, because it's a very good gil and EXP mission and quite easy. We're going to go on the second stage here, level 15. We're going to go change our party. And we're going to go put Hope in here. And we are going to enter the dungeon. And Hope is going to gain like 4 or 5 levels. And that most likely will be enough to actually rank us up. And you're going to notice that our stamina is going to completely refill upon rank up. Once that happens, we're going to go back in to the World of Illusions and farm some more weapon and armor experience points. So I'm going to cut this out. We are just going to auto fight here. Hope is going to die fairly soon probably. And Warrior Light and Squall is just going to wreck everything. So Hope leveled up to level 6 there. Let's see if it's enough to rank us up. And if not, we will just go do this stage once again. Alright, not enough. So let's just go there, do it again. And Hope will level up. And we should be ready to rank up. Alright, so we got to level 9. And that should do it here. We should rank up. There it is, rank up. So it took us 3 missions there, and now all our SP is going to be completely refilled. So we're going to go into that stage, and we're going to have 21 SP now. So back out of here, don't do any more of those dungeons. Use your SP every time that you rank up. Very, very important. So we'll go ahead and try the level 21 right here, or the 20 SP one. You can see the enemies are going to be around level 40, so this is going to be quite difficult. You're definitely going to want to put your highest attacking squad, and you're going to want to look to see what you're up against. So it looks like this ghost is resistant to swords and guns. Magic is really effective, or, neutral. And then it looks like holy, but we don't have any holiness yet. So let's go put our party up. Let's put our strongest squad, which will be Rem, Warrior Light, and Squall. And let's go give this a shot here. So if we fail on this mission, this is a complete waste of 20 SP. So we also do want to bring a strong friend with us, just in case. So let's go grab this 31 Tifa, because she looks pretty damn strong. Let's go ahead and follow her. And let's begin the battle here. The bright side is that in here, almost every character, it looks like, is getting a 50% bonus on stats. So even though they are under-leveled, they're not level 45 like these enemies are, we might have a chance at beating them because of that 50% bonus stats. Let's see. So bombs are going to self-destruct. They shouldn't self-destruct right away, though. 400. Wow, look, he gained a ton of Brave. He's got 1922 over there. Maybe we should try and break this one, and then try and finish him off with Squall and Warrior Light here. So let's do that. Let's do Squall and Warrior Light, trying to finish off that bomb. So that way he can't use his massive amounts of Brave that he has. Let's go through the solid barrel. I think we're okay to break him right here. But I am right at max, so the bomb is going to go after Warrior of Light. We're okay there. Let's go HP attack on the little goblin. Alright, so Squall can finish off the bomb in one hit, and then the Warrior of Light can finish off the goblin guy. Alright, so we did stage 1. We got 2 more battles to go here, and now we got ghosts that are very resistant to our attacks, which is going to be quite tricky. But at least they're not kamikaze bombs here. So let's just go a Brave attack on the ghosts. And then a Brave attack on the ghosts. And we will break the ghost. Then let's go and Brave on the middle guy, the goblin here. And let's do a Brave there. Yes, we got 2 breaks. We can finish off the ghost over here, hopefully. Alright, so let's try that. Nice. Finished it off. Got the ghost over here, what we can do, Rim is at max. We can go HP attack on the Goblin, and then we can use Brave on... No, we should be able to... We should be able to kill both of them here. HP attack on the Ghost, and then HP attack on the Goblin. There should be enough to finish it off. Alright, good. And we have our Chocobo summon ready to go. We've got a lot of special abilities still here. So I think we've got this in the bag here. I think we can do this, guys. Alright, we're going to go Brave attack there. I'm not sure if the AI would be able to auto-fight this, so let's go Solid Barrel since we still have 3 uses of this left. And then let's go just Brave. I do think we need to take care of the Ghost here. I don't want the bomb to self-destruct and just blow everything up for a massive amount. I think we're good. Let's Chocobo here. That should break the bomb. Okay, cool. Got a break. We've got 3,000 there, so we can finish off the Ghost here on the right with the HP attack. We can then go ahead and finish off the other Ghost with Warrior Light's attack, and then we have Rem here. HP attack. We need some Brave. Need some Brave. Nice. Alright, we need some more Brave. And Rem still cannot finish. So let's try and do Tifa here to finish. Beat Rush! Alright, Beat Rush didn't do physical damage, but it did enough Brave, and we are slaughtering the bomb there. Finishing off, and we've successfully beat that stage. So, it wasn't as difficult as we were anticipating, but our guys are all about level 30. And we had to manually do that. So I don't think that we could auto-fight that. Let's see what rewards we get. Yep, see, as for doing a higher SP, you're going to get higher level weapon and armor crystals. So we've got a 4-star one right there, and a whole bunch of 3 stars. Definitely very, very cool. I think it is worth it to do the level 10 one first until you get your guys to right around probably level 35, and you're very comfortable with the strength of your guys. And then go on and fighting the second stage. Because, again, you don't want to waste that SP. Alright, so now that we've finished the SP there, we're going to go, once again, train up another hero. Level them up via the Squall mission. Grabbing the treasure chest, of course. And then every few minutes, we're going to come back here. So once we get 10 more, we're going to go into auto fight and do our bottom one in the right there. And we are just going to go back to Squall, train up our weaker heroes once again. And then rank up, rinse, repeat, do that over and over again. And yeah, that is a great way to farm the world of illusions. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will talk to you guys later. Good luck in game.